Welcome back to our post-lunch presentation. I guess, Spandita, are you with us?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please go ahead.
Can I start?
Yeah, please.
Firstly, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I'm starting with sharing my slide.
Okay. Hmm.
Is it visible?
Yeah.
So my title of the paper is Pramana, the Nyavashishika conflict. We all know that Prachina Nyaya is the oldest one, and we get Nyaya Sutra that is written by Maharshi Gautama. Excuse me. And the Vaisheshik Sutra we get, that is the source of Vaisheshik philosophy written by Maharshi Kanada. And after a time period, 10th century AD, we get the combination of Nyaya Vaisheshika system that is known as Nava Nyaya or Nyaya Vaisheshika school of philosophy. In Nyaya philosophy, we get four pramanas, that is Pratyaksha, Anumana, Upamana, and Shabda. But in Vaisheshika, we get only two pramanas, these are Pratyaksha and Anumana. So we get a different point of view, though these two systems are parallel. And finally, when we see that Nyaya Vaisheshik get combined, then they accept the four pramanas. That means that somehow Nyaya view is quite better than Vaisheshika view, and they have many arguments between among them about this point of view, difference of point of view. The opponent view, that is the Vaisheshika view, they says that Upaman is not possible because they said that total similarity, many similarity, and partly similarity, these are the three types of similarity. And these three types of similarity is not possible. So we get this in Nyaya Sutra. Saint Gautam has mentioned the opponent view in 44th Sutra of the second Khanda Prathamatmika. But he has also mentioned the reply to this, and he said that this dosh cannot be arised. Upaman arises depending on sadhya sadhana gan, sadhya sadhana bhava, not depending on the similarity, what kind of similarity it is. So, as this dosh is not valid, it cannot be arised. And we get this reply on the in the 45th sutra. Now, again, an opponent view is mentioned that Upaman is Anuman. Vaisheshika is trying to mention that Upaman is considered as Anumana. So, same as Anumana, Upaman is also, we get Upaman is all arises from perceived object to unknown. Which is unknown, we get that knowledge from the perceived object. So we don't need to accept a separate Praman as that is Upaman. But here we also get a reply by Maharshi Gautama. He said that perceiving the cow and listening to Gavaya is similar to cow is not enough. We need to perceive the Gavaya also. If we don't perceive the Gavaya when we go to a forest, then Upaman is not possible. The knowledge which arises after perceiving Gavaya is not Anumana. Because in the case of Anumana, we don't need to perceive the Banhi to infer the Banhi. We only perceive the Dhuma. Now, another opponent view is about the Shabda Pramana. It is said that Shabda is Anumana. Shabda is not perceivable, but it is inferable. It has inferentiality. It is said that there is no difference between the experience of Shabda and Anumiti. We know the unknown Ortho through the known Shabda. So, it is Anuman. We get this in the Nyaya Sutra also. And the reply is given also here, that is Shabda is not Pratyaksha or Anuman. They said that Shabda is not perceivable because the word and the meaning are not acceptable by the same sense organ. We need Appa Upadesha. We need a person who is trustable or a text which is trustable, that is Veda Upanishad. Through this credibility, we understand the meaning of the words. Otherwise, Shabda is not possible. The three hetu which are given by the opponents are not proper. So it is said that Anuman is different Praman and Shabda is not Anuman. Another Nyaya view we get in Bhasha Parichheda, it is said that to get Shabda from, um, to get Shabda Bodha from Shabda, we need Shakti. And if we don't understand the word meaning from the Shakti, we use Lakshana. So to have Shabda Bodha, we must also need Akanksha, Yogata, Sannidhi, and Tatparya. For Anuman, we need Vyapti Jnana, and without Vyapti Jnana, Anuman is not possible. But Shabda Bodha is possible without Vyapti Jnana. If we think of Vyapti Jnana in Shabda Bodha, then we should also think about Pada Jnana in the case of Anuman, but this is not possible. So, Shabda is not Anuman, it is a separate means of knowledge. This argument is given in Bhasha Parichheda. Now, in Shabda Shakti Prakashika, we get the Jagadishi thing. He said that Shabda is a separate Praman other than Pratyaksha and Anumana. Shabda is not Pratyaksha, Shabda is not Anumana. If we say that Shabda has Shabdatva, Pratyaksha has Shabda Onnatva, that is Pratyakshatva. Anuman has Shabda Anvatva, that is Anumanatva. But if there is a Shabda Shamogri, that is the barrier in Pratyaksha and Anumana. If we consider Shabda as Pratyaksha or Anumana, then when we perceive, we have the Pratyaksha Gyan or Anumana Gyan, we have to consider Shabda Shamogri as a barrier. And then we should also imagine Pratyaksha and Anumana have Shabda Anvatva. So it will create Gaurava. Gaurava is a dosha. So to avoid Gaurav dosha, we need to accept Laghava. And instead of this, if we accept Shabda as a separate means of knowledge, that is a fourth means of knowledge, then it will create Laghava. So it is much more better to accept Shabda as a separate means of knowledge. Now I quoted a line from Mundaka Upanishad that is commented by Adi Shankaracharya. Shankar Bhasya 1.2.12. Tani tan parikshya pratyakshanumana upamana agamai sarvata jatha may nan avadhari. So Upanishad is the end part of Veda and it is called Vedanta. Adi Shankaracharya has written commentary on all of Upanishads and mentioned in this Upanishad commentary, he has mentioned the four pramanas, that is Pratyaksha, Anuman, Upaman and Agam or Shabda. But we know that Adi Shankaracharya has accepted 6 means of knowledge, including Arthapatti and Anupalabdhi. But here in the commentary, he has mentioned the 4 pramanas. Therefore, it is accepted as the Upanishadic view. Similarly, Nyaya also has accepted the 4 means of knowledge. But though Vaisheshika is an orthodox school of philosophy, that is Astika philosophy, they accepted 2 means of knowledge and include the other 2 in those 2. But I think that as Vaisheshika is a Astic school of philosophy, they also accept the Vedic Veda and Upanishadic view. So Vaisheshika also have to accept the 4 means of knowledge. And finally, when Nyaya and Vaisheshika get connected and a combined view we get as Navya Nyaya, there we get 4 means of knowledge. Now I have come to my concluding part. We need Atidesha Vakya and Shadrisha Jnana to have an Upamiti Jnana. In the cognition of Shabda Bodha, there is a need of trusted person, that is apto vyakti, but it is not available in the cognition of anumiti. But in anumiti, we need vyaptik gyan and paramarsha. Nyay has introduced a popular way of giving definitions through universals that is known as jati ghatita lakshana. So in Shabda, we get Shabdatva, Prataksha has Pratakshatva, Anumana has Anumanatva, Upamiti has Upamititva, and in the cognition of Upamiti, we know it as Upaminomi, not as Anuminomi. Even if we don't accept Shabda, then we cannot be able to explain the empty terms, metaphors, simile, etc. because these all are understandable by the secondary meaning, that is Lakshana. And the criteria of Shabda, these are, that are Akanksha, Yoggata, Sanniti, and Tatparya, these are understandable. So it is clear that if we accept the four pramanas, it is more acceptable than the Vaisheshika view. And finally, when Nabbanai, when Nyaya Vaisheshik get connected and Nabbanai arise, they also have accepted the four means of knowledge. So it is clear that Nabbanai has accepted the Nyaya theory regarding pramana instead of Vaisheshika theory when the both get connected. Now, in Shabdavadha, I made a chart, what I have said now. Shabdavadha, we need Padagyana, Shakti, Lakshana as Vritti, Akanksha, Jagota, Sannidhi, and Tatparya. In Upaman, we need Shadrisha Gyana, Tidesh Vakyatva, that is Upamanatva, Upamititva. In Prataksha, we need Indriyartha Sannikarsha, Pratakshatva, Gyan Akaranaka. And Prataksha is Gyan Akaranaka. And other three are dependent on Prataksha. Anuman needs Vyaptik Jnana and Paramarsha, and it has Anumanatva, Anumititva. So, Nyaya view is more acceptable than Vaisheshika view. That's why Navvanaya accepted the four means of knowledge. And this is my paper. Thank you.